everyone, I hope that all of you are doing great and everyone is having fun out there. In today's video, I'm going to share my experience about how I got out of my comfort zone. But firstly, I feel like it's important to tell you that what does comfort zone actually means and how it affects our daily lives. So firstly, we'll discuss that, and at the end of this video, I'll share you my experience. So I hope that you will enjoy this video a lot and you'll learn a lot from it. Yes, that's so true. And that is the exact reason why you feel like each and every year to be similar, and you always complain that there is no growth or no development happening. And that is because you have decided to be in your comfort zone. Comfort zone for me is just like a prison. Yes, it is. I mean, just imagine or just compare a prison with your comfort zone. In the case of a prison, imagine yourself there and what you'll feel. Tell me. You can feel those strong walls around yourself. You will feel stuck in there. And now just compare this prison with your comfort zone. In your comfort zone, you have created those strong walls around yourself. And you know what are those strong walls? Those strong walls is the imaginary world which you live in. Those strong walls are the denials which you always make whenever you to try to do any work in your life. Okay, so I'll just explain this to all of you guys with an example. So there is a person who wants to earn 1 crore rupees every year. And now he is just thinking that, okay, so what should I do with this money? So he's thinking that, okay, so I'll buy my dream car, I'll buy my dream house, or maybe I'll just invest this money somewhere, and or maybe I'll just start my own business. So what's exactly happening here? So what I mean by imaginary world is that when this person is thinking about it, he's continuously thinking about it, and then he is getting happy about the outcome which he's gonna get. And the main thing that he is getting satisfied here in what? In his imaginary world. Because this isn't reality. ये reality में नहीं हो रहा है. He's just thinking about it in his imaginary world. And now what's the next step should look like? The next step should look like working for it, right? Working for earning that money. But now that person, that boy, decides to, I'll just do it later. I'll just work for it tomorrow. And then tomorrow comes, and then tomorrow he's saying that, oh, I didn't manage my time. Abhi mujhe time nahi mil raha, main kal karunga. And this denials, which I was talking about, these are those denials, and these denials are the comfort zone. It is a comfort zone. The imaginary world where he was thinking is a comfort zone. And this never stops. And this example you can literally implement in any situation of your life. For example, you want to go to the gym regularly, okay? But you are just keeping on denying it, that by saying that no, I'll go from Monday, midweek mein nahi jana hai mujhe, Monday se main continue karenge, and this and that. So those denials are the comfort zone. And now tell me one thing, what is the outcome of this? Like, what is the result you're getting? Nothing. Are you learning anything new from it? Are you able to achieve anything? No, right? And that is what I'm trying to tell you, is that comfort zone just limits your growth and your development in your life. They do not allow you to go out and do something for yourself. And that's how comfort zone is so bad for yourself, guys. So now when you have finally understood that what does comfort zone means and how it is affecting your life, I feel like now it's a high time that you should also get out of your comfort zone. But before ending this video, I would like to share my experience about how I got out of my comfort zone. The first time when I thought about doing YouTube was when I was in my 10th standard. Seriously, yes. And the first video which I uploaded on my channel was when I was in my third year. And I know, even when I see this gap now, I'm like, how? What went wrong? And that is what I want to tell you guys is that, see, so here it began when I thought about doing YouTube. And at that time, I still remember I thought about each and everything. लाइक मैं इतना सोचती थी उसके बारे में कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, फिर मुझे ये ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है, ऐसे होगा वैसे होगा, फिर मैं आगे जाके ये करूँगी. All those imaginary thoughts in that imaginary world. And this kept on happening for so many years. Like after 10th, I was in my 11th, 12th, first year, second year starting. I used to just think. And you know what was wrong in this? The wrong thing in this was that I was just thinking about कि wow, ऐसे ऐसे होगा, ऐसे मैं ऐसे हो जाएगा, ऐसे कितना हैप्पीनेस है वो. आई यूज्ड टू फील दैट हैप्पीनेस, आई यूज्ड टू गेट सेटिस्फाइड विद इट, एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट ओके आई हैव डिसाइडेड नाउ दैट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, देन इट विल हैपन, हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. And that is the most wrong thing here is that I never thought that how to execute it. या मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि मुझे ये करना कैसे है, मुझे ये करने के लिए कैसे उसे करना पड़ेगा, कैसे उसे एग्जीक्यूट करना पड़ेगा. I never thought about that thing, and that is because I took so many years. And then when I was at the end of my second year, I thought that okay, I have realized that I've been not giving efforts in what to do, rather than I was just thinking that नहीं नहीं ऐसे करना है वैसे करना है. So then I decided that I will give each day 1 hour towards YouTube. So in that 1 hour, I will just research about it. I'll just find my interest, that what content do I need to do, मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है, this and that. And guys, at the starting of it was so hard. Trust me, like 1 घंटे में से मैं प्रॉपर सिर्फ 20 मिनट्स या 30 मिनट्स उसे दे पाती थी, बाद में मैं छोड़ देती थी, मेरे से होता ही नहीं. इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी दैट आई वुड गिव 1 hour टू इट. बट इन दिस वन थिंग विच आई डिड वॉज नॉट गिविंग अप. आई डिड इट, लाइक भले ही फिर मैं 20 to 30 मिनट्स ही देती थी हर दिन में, बट आई यूज टू गिव इट, एंड आई डिड इट फॉर 1 week. And after 1 week, guys, I was actually enjoying it. Where I was, struggling to give 1 hour towards it, I was actually giving 1 to 2 hours towards it. And it was so amazing. And at that time, फिर मैं बोर नहीं होती थी, मैं स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखती थी या मैं जो भी कंटेंट ये करना मैं रिसर्च करती थी, मुझे कभी बोर नहीं होता था उस चीज में. And this is the thing which I want to tell you is that जो हम इमेजिनरी वर्ल्ड में रहते हैं, जहाँ पे हम सोचते हैं कि हो जाएगा करके, चीजें देख लेंगे, अभी तो पता ही चल गया क्या करना है, बट दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. एंड दैट डिनायल्स विच यू मेक कि विल डू इट लेटर, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, एंड दैट इज द ओनली कंफर्ट जोन विच वी हैव. एंड वंस वी क्रॉस इट, स्टार्टिंग में होता है हार्ड. आई वुडंट से कि हार्ड नहीं होता, हार्ड होता है, बट वंस यू क्रॉस इट ना, आपको और अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलते हैं. यू गेट टू नो न्यू थिंग्स अबाउट योर सेल्फ एज वेल. सो ट्राई दिस आउट. So this was about my YouTube. And one more thing happened, or one more thing which I wanted to get out of was my routine. Because मेरा routine बहुत अलग बन गया था. Like मैं literally I used to get up at 10 a.m. 11 a.m. and मुझे उस टाइम पे बहुत हेल्थ इश्यूज होते थे, बिकॉज आई डोंट यूज टू एक्सरसाइज. मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती थी, लाइक बॉडी मूवमेंट्स कुछ भी नहीं होते थे. देन आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई नीड टू cut this routine off and had to set a new routine for myself where I'll wake up at 5 a.m. And उस टाइम पे फिर ऐसे हुआ कि जहाँ मैं 11 बजे उठती थी, मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पॉसिबल था सुबह 6 या 5 बजे उठना. इट वॉज सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. बट देन I took baby steps. Like I went for baby steps. I used to, जहाँ मुझे अभी 6 बजे उठना है, तो मैं वहाँ पे पहले मैं अभी फिर मैं 1 घंटा पहले उठ जाती थी, लाइक 10 बजे उठ जाती थी, फिर 9 बजे, फिर 8 बजे, एंड ऐसे ऐसे करके फिर मैं फाइनली 6 बजे तक उठने लग गई। एंड देन उस टाइम पे फिर लाइक मम्मा भी योगा करते थे, तो मैं उनके साथ योगा करने लग जाती थी। एंड देन पापा जिम जाते थे, तो फिर जिम के साथ फिर मेरे भी एक्सरसाइज हो जाता था। तो दिस यूज टू हैपन, एंड वो हुआ। बट वो स्टार्टिंग में वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, लाइक इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट, आई कैन रिलेट टू दिस। बट once you cross that, once you get out of it, it's very easy, and you know it becomes a form to you, then वो हो जाता है, आप वो करने लग जाते हो। तो वो बेबी स्टेप्स लो, don't just jump on to something very higher to you, just take baby steps and you will achieve that thing in your life. The next most important thing to get out of your comfort zone is challenging your fear. And I can relate to this because I have experienced this in my life. Okay, so what happened one day was that I wanted to submit a bank document to my college, and usually what used to happen was that पापा ही हमेशा ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह बैंक रिलेटेड या गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस रिलेटेड जो भी काम होता था, पापा ही लाके देते थे। And at that time, I remember Papa wasn't in town, and Papa was like, "कि जाओ आप कर लो." And I was like, "No, I can't do it because I haven't done anything like this in my life." And मैं उससे ना बहुत डर रही थी वो करने से। But then कोई option ही नहीं था because वो बहुत urgent थी, वो submit करना था document. Then I still remember I went to the bank. I was so scared to even get inside, but there was no option, so I went in, and लाइक मैंने 2-3 लोगों से पूछा जो मुझे करना था, मैंने उनसे पूछा, बट उन्होंने जो मुझे बोला मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया। एंड दैट गॉट मी टू अनदर लेवल। मैं लिटरली आई केम आउट एंड आई वाज सो स्ट्रेस्ड एंड आई गॉट दैट एंजाइटी, क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत डरी हुई थी, एंड उसमें ऐसे हो गया तो मैं और ज्यादा डर गई। बट एट दैट टाइम आई जस्ट काम्ड माई सेल्फ डाउन एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक, नहीं हो सकता इससे, अभी मुझे ही जाना पड़ेगा, करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है देख लेंगे। फिर देन आई वेंट इनसाइड एंड फिर आई गॉट दैट डॉक्यूमेंट। मैंने जो भी सिग्नेचर का समथिंग इशू आ रहा था, विच आई फिगर्ड आउट, विच आई डिड, आई आस्क्ड पीपल देयर एंड दे टोल्ड मी, एंड आई केम आउट। बट गाइज, the moment when I came out, I was so happy because that was something which I was so scared of to do, and it happened. And I realized that fear is the main thing here, and that is what stops you from getting out of your comfort zone. So whenever you'll feel a fear of doing something, na guys, overcome it, just get through it. What will happen, क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा? Either you will fail doing that thing or either you will succeed, right? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या फेल ही होंगे ना आप, और क्या होने वाला है? So get through it, and this fear only stops you from getting out of your comfort zone. Because see my example only, I wasn't ready to do it just because of my fear. But once I did it, I was happy. I did that work. And उसके बाद फिर कभी भी ऐसे होगा तो we realize those things. जैसे जैसे हम करते हैं ना, वैसे वैसे हमें realize होता है कि नहीं यार ये जरूरी है करना, and we get used to it. So it's very important. Challenge your fear and don't stress about it.